So guys, welcome back to another video. So today video, we played the game called Wild Monkeys. You know, Apple app. We call it this. So no one didn't play the game, but we found like one person who played the game. First, comment Stewart and so Stewart. So you come over here do first. I meet the owner. He probably gonna make me like content creator. I mean, so on the you're watching this, like don't give me my heart, bro. Like you should add like Mario's and admins and come on and try on to the game because like we don't have no because we only got content creator